Additional COVID vaccines are coming to the market to put a dent in the growing global health pandemic, which is seen as some good news for health officials. Infectious disease specialist and director of the National HIV/AIDS program, Dr. Nagia Forbes, discusses some of the latest COVID vaccines coming to the international market and what this means for fighting COVID-19.
We've heard about the Novavax vaccine, and we've also heard about the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is another vaccine that expresses the COVID-19, the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. And it was evaluated as a single dose or 2 doses. And at this time, in the clinical trial, a single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine reported that it had a 66% efficacy in preventing moderate to severe COVID-19. So it is good news indeed that there are other vaccines that are becoming available.
Well, Dr. Forbes is pleased that officials are boosting surveillance efforts regarding COVID-19 mutations. The National Reference Lab recently sent samples abroad to be tested for the variant. And with the COVID variants popping up in more countries across the globe, Dr. Forbes says scientists are even more concerned.
That additional surveillance will help to strengthen detection of emerging SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, mutant variants. And there are several that have been reported in the last few weeks to months. That includes the UK strain, the South African strain, the Brazilian strain, and then there are other mutants being identified in the United States. What's of concern is whether or not these mutated viruses whether the mutations will cause changes in the virus. Will it be more infectious, more deadly? Will the vaccines work against them? And that is information that scientists are keeping an eye on.